Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at some keto mints that found at Walmart. This is their Equate, kind of their generic brand. They have a couple of different flavors of these. They also have, I believe, a peanut butter one. But the chocolate mint, to me, it's my favorite of all of them, in spite of the fact I love peanut butter. This right here, it's 90 calories per mint. So it's it's like a couple of those Catalina Crunch cookies, but it has 7 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar alcohol. So it's 1 gram net. So this is like incredible in terms of the net carbs that you get out of one of these. Oftentimes this is my after dinner, like whenever we eat like Italian kind of food. That was, as a kid, we always got mints on the way out of the restaurant because they were free. Anyway, so this to me is like kind of a throwback to 40 years ago when I was a kid, because I'm super old. Anyway, these right here, fantastic deal. Walmart carries them over in the medicine section, at least at my neighborhood Walmart, but definitely worth checking into. Price wise, they're cheaper than like the Atkins kind and whatever. Equate generally is. But anyway, if you're looking for a good mint, this is 10 out of 10. Absolutely love these things. Generally speaking, I always have a box of these sitting so that as I'm wanting to have something sweet after dinner or whatever, I can just grab one of these and be good. So this is definitely a go-to in this household. I go through these probably faster than any other keto dessert, just because they're cheap, they're easy, and they are limited in serving size, which is also good for making it easier to not eat too many of them. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.